So guys, viral ngayon sa Twitter ang open letter ng isang account na may handle name na @FreeCatherineB tungkol sa umano'y panloloko ng aktor na si Daniel Padilla sa kanyang girlfriend na si Catherine Bernardo. Kaugnay ito ng pagsisiwalat noong mga nakaraang araw ng talent manager na si OG Diaz tungkol sa nasabing issue na kinasasangkutan ni Catherine, Daniel at kanilang kapwa kapamilya star na si Andrea Brillantes. Ayon kay OG, isang source ang nagsabi sa kanyang lihim na nakikita ang kapamilya actor na si Daniel at si Andrea. Sa ngayon ay wala pa nagsasalita sa kampo ng tatlong sangkot sa issue. Isang open letter ang inilabas ng umano'y may alam sa ginagawang cheating ni Daniel kay Catherine at sa cheating din na ginagawa ni Andrea sa kanyang mga ex-boyfriend na sina Seth Fedelin at Richie Rivero. Narito ang buo niyang post. An open letter for Catherine at Bernardo Cat and her cheater manipulator boyfriend and the ill bitch. Catherine, I know you know by now what he did again. Please stop getting back with that guy who keeps cheating on you if he really loves you or really sees you as his future wife. Why does he need to cheat multiple times with different girls? Why does he need to have a sleepover in Blight's condo? I'm sure you also know that your friends who know Daniel is a cheater are happy because the truth is out. Dear, please listen and wake up. Don't let him manipulate you over and over again. It's really sad to see him as a good guy, always in public, and as the ideal man for everyone. Come on people, not everything you see on camera is real. If you guys only knew everything, I'm sure you'd be disgusted. Right babe? At I'm Daniel Padilla. And for you, Lich, at I am Andrea B, the audacity for you to talk shit about her and keep on telling your friends that Daniel is into you. Him going to your condo, drinking at your place overnight and planning secret travels for next year. Tingin mo hindi nakarating kay Kat lahat? Sorry to disappoint you, Blight, but time is the ultimate truth teller. Sabi ka ng sabi sa public na ikaw lagi ang biktima ng cheating and for your bestie to save you lagi sa social media, akala mo aping-api. You cheated on set and you're lucky kasi hindi kanya in-expose sa public. You cheated on Richie too, right? Ikaw na unang mag-cheat kay Richie. Now, you're the kabit. This is not the first time na naging kabit ka. And for you to say to your friends na Kyle Jenner and Timothy Chalamet, kayo ng Pinas, girl, sorry to break you pero kabit ka. Sex lang habol niya. Guess who's begging for official statement sa management para hindi masira ang pangalan? No girl, hindi ka makakatakas ngayon. Lalo ka na at I am Daniel Padilla.